In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Workspace account. This process is straightforward and should take you no more than 5 minutes to complete if you follow these steps carefully. Whether you're downsizing your digital life or simply moving to a new platform, this guide will ensure you successfully remove your account without any hitches. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Workspace login page. Here you're going to sign in using your Google account details. If you have multiple accounts, a list will appear, and you can select the one associated with the Google Workspace you intend to delete. It's essential to ensure you're logging into the correct account to avoid any mishaps during the deletion process. Once you've successfully logged in, your account dashboard will greet you. This is where all the magic happens. Here, look for the specific account or user you wish to delete. Google Workspace allows for individual user management. So if you're aiming to delete someone else's access instead of removing the entire workspace, this step is particularly crucial. The next step involves navigating to the Delete a User option. Google has designed their admin console to be intuitive, so you should find this option without too much trouble. However, it's always a good idea to proceed with caution, making sure you're not clicking on something inadvertently. Remember, deleting a user is a permanent action. After selecting Delete a User, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the account you wish to remove. This step acts as a safeguard, ensuring that you're deleting the right user. Double check the email address for typos or mistakes. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Following this, you should see the profile or account you're looking to delete. It helps to verify all details one last time, ensuring this is indeed the account you wish to remove. If everything looks correct, you're ready to move forward. Finally, you'll come across the Proceed button. Clicking this button initiates the deletion process. A word of caution here. Ensure you're absolutely certain about deleting the account, as this step is irreversible once completed. After you click Proceed, Google will begin the process of removing the account from its Workspace services. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to deleting a Google Workspace account. Remember, taking a few moments to double-check each step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Deleting an account is a significant action, and we want to ensure it's done correctly and with certainty. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in managing your Google Workspace account. Whether you're tidying up your digital spaces or making way for new beginnings, understanding how to manage your accounts effectively is key to a smooth transition. Thank you for joining me today.